Hello everyone, welcome to IEMLabs. My name is Vishakha Priya and today we are going to discuss about Amazon EC2. So, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud or EC2 is a web service from Amazon that provides resizable compute services in the cloud. With EC2, we can launch instances of different types. So, let us discuss these in more detail. So, first we will start with what is Amazon EC2. So, as I said, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud provides scalable computing capacity in the Amazon Web Services cloud. Using Amazon EC2 eliminates our need to invest in hardware upfront, so we can develop and deploy applications faster. We can use Amazon EC2 to launch as many or as few virtual servers as we need, configure security and networking, and manage storage. Amazon EC2 enables us to scale up or down to handle changes in requirements or spikes in popularity, reducing our needs to forecast traffic. Now let's move to the next slide. So Amazon EC2 provides us various features and we will discuss these one by one. So the first one that is provided by Amazon EC2 is known as instances. Here, the virtual computing environments that we get is known as instances. We have pre-configured templates for our instances known as Amazon Machine Image. We will discuss these in more detail later. That package the bits we need for our server, including the operating system and additional software. We have various configuration of CPU, memory, storage and networking capacity for our instances known as instance types. We have secure login information for our instances using key pairs. So AWS stores the public key and we have to store the private key in a secure place. We have here the storage volumes for temporary data that is deleted when we stop, hibernate or terminate our instance known as instance store volumes, and also we have persistent storage volumes for our data using Amazon Elastic Block Store, that is Amazon EBS. We have also the features of firewall that enable us to specify the protocols, ports and source IP ranges that can reach our instance using security groups. Now we will discuss some of these features in more detail. So the first we will start with Amazon EBS volumes. So an Amazon EBS volume is a durable block level storage device that we can attach to our instances. After we attach a volume to an instance, we can use it as we would use a physical hard drive. EBS volumes are flexible. We can dynamically increase size, modify the provision IOPS capacity and change volume time on live production volumes. We can use EBS volumes as primary storage for data that requires frequent updates, such as the system drive for an instance or storage for a database application. We can also use them for throughput intensive applications that perform continuous disk scan. EBS volumes persistent independently from the running life of an EC2 instance. Persistent storage volumes for our data using Amazon EBS store known as Amazon EBS volumes. Now we will discuss about Amazon Machine Image, that is AMI. So an AMI is a supported and maintained image provided by AWS that provides the information required to launch an instance. We must have to specify an AMI when we launch an instance. We can launch multiple instances from a single AMI when we require multiple instances with the same configuration. Also, we can use the different AMIs to launch instances when we require instances with different configurations. We can launch an instance from an existing AMI, customize the AMIs with our instance, and for example we can install the software on the instance and then save this updated configuration as a custom AMIs. Instances launched from these new custom AMI include the customizations that we made when we created the AMI. Next is Amazon EC2 security groups. So a security group acts as a virtual firewall for our EC2 instance to control incoming and outgoing traffic. We have here inbound rules to control the incoming traffic to our instance, and outbound rules control the outgoing traffic from our instance. When we launch an instance, we can specify one or more security groups. If we don't specify a security group, Amazon EC2 uses the default security groups. We can add rules to each security group that allow traffic to or from its associated instance, and also we can modify the rules for a security group at any time. New and modified security rules are automatically applied to all the instances that are associated with the security groups. When Amazon EC2 decides whether to allow traffic to reach an instance, it evaluates all of the rules from all of the security groups that are associated with the instance. So that's all for today. I hope you like our video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.